I'm a firm believer that rather than having the tool come first, it should come near last. I believe a company should spend a little more time on their business processes first. And I think that's why it was important for us to get some of our key business processes in place first. Then now it becomes a need-based. There's a gap that needs to be fulfilled. We need to access the information because people are asking for the information, okay? So I would suggest getting your business processes first. Then when it's time for saying we want a PPM tool, I think it's like anything else, you need to evaluate the current state. And what do I mean by that? What are you using today? What is each business using today, okay? Is it Excel? Is it some type of custom database? Is it Microsoft Project Management? You know, what is it today? Get an assessment of what's going on. Get an assessment of where some of the problems are, okay? So what I'm trying to say is you need to create a value proposition to why you need to bring a PPM tool in. And it's going to be different for different people. It may be that you want to reduce waste in time in collecting information, or it may be we want to improve decision making. We want to be quicker on our decision making, or we want less iterations on the financials. We want more realistic forecasting on this project scheduling. So create that value proposition. When you talk about doing an evaluation of any vendor, Planisware or anybody, don't just invite them in and do what I call a dog and pony show for several hours. Decide what are the key characteristics that you're looking for. Is it project scheduling? Is it time carding? Is it visualization as an example? And focus in on those key areas you want to see demonstrated, but give the vendor kind of a script or simulated data of what you want that to use to look like, okay? Wouldn't take a lot of time to simulate the kind of information that you're going to be looking for reported. So make the vendor go to work. And then the other thing is get a good, solid evaluation team. Don't just have R&D people. Get some IT people involved, some IT architects, get a sales marketing involved, get the strategy people involved, get a diverse team to help you through the evaluation. And by all means, get the people who are going to use it involved, okay, because they have to be part of this process. So that's all important to kind of do the evaluation to get to a point where you want to select. Now, when you're at the point of selection, okay, you have to be able to line up some pilot businesses or pilot functions that want to do this, okay? This is not something where you do proof of concept and then try to get the CEO to mandate this. That's not the way this works. You have to get a couple of functions or businesses that are willing to implement the system, because the only way you're going to get this fully implemented over time is based on your successes. Okay, so that's kind of my recommendation. And by all means, like any other major change management process, you need sponsors. I don't care if it's the CTO, the Chief Marketing Officer, the Chief Information Officer. Find yourself a high-level sponsor, because that person's going to be key in opening some doors for you to kind of get this in place, give it a try, and demonstrate some successes. Guaranteed, once you get through that and you have those successes and the people see the value, then the rest will come. That's how you'll get to a point to develop a standard.